It was such a beautiful sunny day outside, we thought it would be a really fun idea to go explore the zoo. Once we were in the zoo, we discovered a children's zoo. The children's zoo is made especially for kids, and they have so many fun activities. You can feed the fish, you can feed the birds, and they even have a petting zoo. This is the barnyard. The barnyard is what they call the petting zoo. Look at this white goat right here. He's really nice. He lets us pet him like this. Can you pet him, girl? Carsten, you want to pet the white goat? Look, he's so nice.
He's so soft.
He's so soft. These goats are eating right now, so they're not really having too much fun with us. But, oh, there he goes, look. Hello! Hello! We're petting the goat. Hello! Hello, can I pet you? Can I pet you? Hello! How many goats do you see in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. How many sheep do you see in this picture? 1, 2, 3. Great job. We're going to go in to feed the lorikeet. A lorikeet is a really colorful bird that flies around, and there's nectar in here. Nectar is what they eat. So we're going to go in here and we're going to take the lid off and we're going to hold it up, and they're going to come sit on us and eat the nectar. This is a lorikeet. Look, he's eating the nectar and he's sitting on my hand. Look. Look, there's more lorikeet. 1, 2, there's one on the ground, 3, 4, and 5. Look, I'm gonna feed them some nectar. Let's see if they eat it. Oh, look at him eating it. It's okay, don't get scared. Uh-oh. Look, there's 2 of them. Look, there's 2. Well, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for exploring the zoo with us. If you guys want to watch more videos, just search for our name. You know our name. Carbeli. Carbeli. Bye.
He's going to eat right now, so they're not really having too much fun with us. But, oh, there he goes, look. you get close to the face? Nice, close to the face. Hello! Hello! We're petting the goat!
That was really fun. We got to feed the Lorikeets with nectar, which is what they eat. Can we get her doing that? Well, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for exploring the zoo with us. If you guys want to watch more videos, just search for our name. You know our name. Carbeli. Carbeli. Bye.